So I was trying to work on something right now, and in the process I want to download clip grab. I go to install it. This comes up: operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus or potentially unwanted software. Even if it doesn't, it's something that pops up with Windows. But anyways, if you click on it, see, and then you have to go here to go to Windows Security. Well, I'll show you how to fix that right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, type in the search here, put in Windows Security, or right here it shows in mine, but just type in Windows Security, click on this, and then if you go here, app and browser control, go to review, so you can tell me, saying something is found. Just go to review, and I'm going to click on this, say yes, and then actions, say allow on device. Say yes. This app has been allowed. Now let's go see if it's going to work. Okay, here we go. I'm going to double click it. And there we go. So you just got to make sure you go find it there in the Windows Security, in the unwanted apps, and allow it. Hope that helps.